Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save Notepad file as PDF in Windows 10. So first we need to do is open Notepad, so I click on the left down corner on icon of a start and then I type Notepad from my keyboard. After that I open Notepad system app and then I need to type something in Notepad. For example, I will type here simple text, and here if I would like to save this file as PDF I need to go to File and then I need to go to Print. Here I need to select Microsoft Print to PDF and then I click Print button. Now we need to select the path where we want to save this file. For example, I will do it on desktop, so I click on desktop and then I type here file name. For example, I will type here document, and here is very important option. You need to select here save as type PDF document. It is really important, so don't forget about it. And after that you need to click save button. After a moment your file will be successfully saved as PDF on desktop. So let's check now how it works. So I close this document. I will not save this document now, and here we can find our document saved as PDF. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if you are grateful, don't forget to buy me coffee from link in description.